So what we're gonna do is, I figured my EAT needs to be fixed, so I ordered a standard centered drive shaft to replace the LC for now. But this is going to be about this. I got the kit from GEMRC, so we're going to start with the parts that you need for the body part, because they all mount to your center drive. So I'll get this part started, and I should have the part for the actual Truggy, or the buggy, soon to be Truggy, before this is done. So we'll make this first part, get her started. I'll be right back with all the parts and show you how it goes. Alright, we're back. This is what you get with the kit. It comes with all the hardware, all the mounts, all the parts with it. Now, I'm only going by pictures, so I don't have instructions for it. I got a pre-launch version. So, these are the posts. They actually connect these. Somehow, one of these. I think this one goes here. You see how that goes? This one will go on this. It's pretty easy though. It goes like that. I'll reference the pictures from the part. The nice thing is like you have to put on this rear mount, which is for. I'm not sure if you guys are. I have another video on that. Before I found GEMRC, it might even been GEMRC, to be honest. There was a bunch of these kits going around. I got these for my EAT and my WL, our two main ones on the channel at the time before I got all these new rigs. So the conversion will be easy. I already have that on the diff case, so I'm not going to put this one on. I will put a fresh wing on because I'm going to be repurposing that wing somewhere else. I'm waiting for the center drive while that's coming, putting this together. I think I mentioned that already once. So we'll figure out, we'll work as we go. So I'll start putting a couple parts on and trying it out on the chassis and get these things mounted and be back. But it comes with all the hardware. It's pretty cool. Not sure where this goes. It's got to be part of the bumper. Yeah, it's paper. That's cool. So we'll get that on there too. I'll stop as we go. Alright, see you in a minute. Alright, so that's the mounts. Look pretty good. So we'll go on like this. It's not bad. It's 4 screws. Now they give you these machine screws, and this plastic is really pliable, so it's going to actually work really good for the Truggy. Now, they did tell me make sure you're using metal chassis, which is why I want one with the EAT as well. The guy over at Gem, we were talking about it, and he's like, make sure he saw the carbon fiber video, and he thought I was doing a Truggy on that. So, anyways, yeah, so the machine screws, you have to push real hard. They go in tough, especially the first time, because they're not like threaded self tappers, you know, the coarse ones you see on a lot of them, which I don't mind that, because it's something to that. It holds better, but I like the material that they're using. So next I'm going to put the body mounts on. You know, actually I'll just do that, you know, so you just kind of put them on and pull them through, you know, like so. Easy peasy, you know. Cool, they come with these. Which hole was it? Front, so it goes to the back. Alright, so yeah, so next I'll probably do the bumper. I'll be back in a minute because I got to clean that up first, take off some other parts. So that's, yeah, so I'll be right back and put the bumper on, and then because I'm waiting on the center, we'll probably stop there. I'll probably switch the motor mount out. So this was an LC setup. I'm going to be taking this motor mount and using it because I have two others that use LC, two other LCs. So my custom 12 and my LC12B. So I'll be reusing this and all the parts. I have a separate bin for my LC parts. Anyways, and then I'll be using the motor mount I got from Gem as well. It's a adjustable aluminum. He's got some cool one coming down the pipe that's a slip-in like that. He does have one out there, but the metal on it isn't the greatest. I'd wait for his aluminum cut ones that he's going to be doing. Anyways, and then we can get that in there, get that buttoned up, and I'll be right back. All right, quick change of plans. I'm going to do the motor mount now, but I put the wing on already. It's pretty simple. If you've done on WL, it's almost the same, but instead WL, normally the screws go in on this side on the top, and then the bottom ones go on this side. They all come in from the rear. So these wings I'm not like overly fond of. I would say if they changed anything in the design in the future, get rid of this wing. Almost all the 114 size and 112 size use your LC racing style, which go back to your 4WL uses it, EAT uses it. It'd be nice to have interchangeable wings. There's a lot more out there on the market, so it makes this more usable. Now I have mangled the EC30 on there, but that's just a Lexan one. You can change it. So Lexans would be fine, but I'm just thinking like I like the LC ones. It's pretty much better, but I'm still going to use this. It's a good wing. Prone to break though, not really a basher. Anyway, so for this, we're just going to use their hardware. You know, I'm not, because the pinion is not here yet. Screw off in there and I wasn't able to get it out when I was taking off the old motor mount. So we might have to switch motors. Anyways, I'll work on that later. So motor mount's a pretty simple one. All these parts floating around. Let me put this in the bucket while I'm here. My LC bin. It's just two. Now this guy's used to be my #1 favoritist. And then started having problems with the drivetrain because I stripped a gear and didn't realize it and let it keep going and did what I shouldn't have done, but that's okay. We're getting her back on the track. That's the key. I love driving this. Go back to the standard center diff until I figure something else out. I might put a smaller motor in here anyways. I might go with the 2835 instead of the 2845 that it comes with, especially with the trugginess. Oh wow. Now I'll go back through and Loctite this off screen, but I think I'm going to use his hardware. He's got top-notch quality hardware. I don't strip them. I don't, you know. And I always know it's his because most of his are the nickel plated or the, you know, not your black painted. So the original body kit I showed you with the blue body come with this bumper that it folds under, so we need to take that off anyways. Might fast forward through some of this, might not, I don't know, split it up. But this will be the end of this video, so I'll make this a two-parter. That way it's the last minute button up when I get the center drive, because this is all the parts. And then we'll get it on the track, do a little track test run on it, So yeah, it's just 2 holes. Now I might have to take off my what do you call it? See, they even give you the ones with the bumper. As I say, I might have to take off my sway bars. That's got to be for this motor mount. Hate it when you do that. Well, scratch that. It's starting to look like something. Not sure what. It's not a bad conversions, so that bumper that goes through there. Then you got your center, like so. You're getting the idea. Body goes on like that, and you got a little Truggy. It's gonna look cool. So that's about it for this video. I still gotta put this brace on. Gotta figure out how it goes. Oh yeah, it goes like this. That's not bad at all. Oh, yeah, I'll put that on real quick. Looks like I gotta take these 2 top ones off. I'll be right back with this. You don't need to watch all this. Alright, so this is the last part for this. It's just 4 screws. They give you the extra long screws to go in there. Now, they give these little slots. They have them in the towers too. It's pretty cool. I think it's for compression, so it's almost like it helps with that shock absorption. We'll see if how well it holds up. You know, I don't. You know how that goes. But yeah, that goes on there. Truggy body goes on there. She's looking pretty cool. So hope you liked. I'll see you when I see it. Part 2 coming in a day or 2. I'll see you then. Have a good weekend.